Hello, my dear students. Hope you all are happy and safe in this lockdown. I know you enjoyed your online classes very well, but at this time, online lecture video and teaching notes for the WhatsApp groups will remain ceased as per the order of state government. So, students, as you know that your summer vacation is going on, so I'm here to explain you the summer vacation homework session 2021 to 2022 for class first. So students, this is your subject teacher of science. Before starting the video, here a note for a guardian. Guardians are requested to help their child during the holidays to complete their following given SVHW sheet in a separate prescribed copy, practice copy of each subject. Put initial signature at the last page of SVHW sheet and copy. So, here guardians are requested to help their child during the holidays to complete their following summer vacation homework sheet in a separate prescribed copy, that is practice copy or PC copy of each subject, and at the last page of SVHW sheet and copy they have to put their signature. Here a note is given. The SVHW response shall be counted in periodic assessment first, that is PA first. So my dear students, the SVHW response shall be counted in your periodic assessment first, that is PA first. So my dear students, here the SVHW of science is given. So here learning work, that is oral, written work, project work and activity work is given in this sheet. The PDF of SVHW is given at your WhatsApp group. So students, let's discuss about learning work or oral work. Learn word meaning of chapter number 1, 2, 3 and 4. So students, here you have to learn the word meaning of chapter number 1, 2, 3 and 4 from your science book, and you have to learn question answer of chapter number 1, 2, 3 and 4. So you have to learn the word meaning and question answer of chapter number 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now students, written work. So students, you have to write this work in your practice copy, that is known as PC copy. So your writing should be neat and clean. So let's read. Write word meaning of chapter first. So students, here you have to write the word meaning of chapter first. So you have, first of all, you have to mention the date, then chapter number, that is chapter number 1. Then you have to write the name of chapter, that is you and your surroundings, and then you have to write the word meaning. Now similarly, like in chapter 2, you have to mention chapter number, then the name of chapter, living and non-living things, and then you have to write the word meaning. Similarly, in chapter 3, you have to mention chapter 3, the word of and then you have to mention the name of chapter, that is the word of plants, and then you have to write the word meaning of chapter number 3. Similarly, in chapter 4, you have to do like this, like you have to mention chapter 4, then the name of chapter plants as food. Then you have to write the word meaning in your PC copy and the question answer also. So students, here you have to, first of all, you have to write the word meaning of that particular chapter, and then you have to write the question answer of that chapter, and you have to complete all the exercises of this chapter. It means there are many exercises is given in all the chapters, like there are objective type questions like filling the blanks with the correct word, write T for the true and F for the false statement, choose the correct option, and very short answer type question like give 2 example of the following, then answer the following questions, concept map. So you have to complete all the exercises from chapter number 1, 2 and 3 and 4 also. Okay, so this was the written work. Now let's come to the project work. Make a painting of your surroundings showing the different places such as shop, school, etc. So students, in this project you have to make a painting of your surroundings showing the different places like such as shop, school, etc. So students, in your surrounding there are many things, so you have to make a painting of your surrounding. Okay, now the next project work is make a chart on feature of living things. So students, here you have to make a chart for a feature of living things. So students, do you know about the feature of living things? Living things move, living things breathe, living things eat food, living things feel, living things grow, and living things reproduce. So students, here you have to make a chart, and then there you have to paste the picture of feature of living things like living things move, living things breathe, etc. Now the next project work is make a chart by pasting the leaves under 2 groups of big leaves and small leaves. Write down the name of the plant. So students, here you have to make a chart by pasting the leaves under 2 groups. Like you have to make 2 groups. In first group you have to paste the picture of big leaves, and in the second group you have to paste the picture of small leaves, and you have to write down the name of a plant. Okay, so this was the project work. Now let's come to the activity work that is given below. Observe plants with flower that you can find growing in your home garden, park, and make a list of the name and color of those flowers. So students, here you have to observe the plants with flower that you can find growing in your home garden, park, and you have to make a list of the name and color those flowers. Now the next activity work, go to the kitchen with your mother and make a list of all the cereals, pulses, fruits and vegetables you can find. So students, here you have to go to the kitchen with your mother and you have to make a list of all the cereals, pulses, fruits and vegetables you can find at your kitchen. Now the last activity work that is given here, make a mask for yourself and click your photograph wearing that mask. Write the benefits wearing a mask. So students, as it is compulsory to wear mask outside, so you have to wear a mask for yourself and click your photograph wearing that mask, and then you have to write the benefits of wearing a mask. So this was the summer vacation homework of science. So I hope you understood very well. By the help of this video. Till then, stay home, stay safe. Better days will come if we will stay home. Social distancing is the one way to tackle coronavirus. One step outside can make way for coronavirus. Don't wait, self isolate. Let's make the world a safer place by staying indoors.